What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. One case break of the top's finest football. But first, a bad break drawing for last night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Norman. And now we'll get the roster for tonight's break. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy the results, paste them against a list of teams in alphabetical order. Alright, and since we have close to 100 packs, we'll go with the zoom in tonight. Here we go, box number 1. Alright, here we go. We'll point out any key rookies and the hits and refractors. Otherwise, we'll scroll through the base. Dante Moncrief refractor. And a David Johnson rookie. Rashad Perriman rookie. Stephon Diggs and Chris Conley. Tyler Lockett rookie. And the first hit going to the Eagles, Nelson Agholor rookie auto jumbo patch blue refractor. 58 out of 60. Going to Chris B. TJ Yeldon rookie. Julio Jones red refractor. 80 out of 99. Going to Rob. Mike Davis and Matt Jones rookies. David Cobb rookie. Matt Ryan rookie die cut red refractor. 44 out of 50. Falcons going to Rob. Greg Olson, blue refractor, 88 out of 250. Panthers going to Dave D. J.E. and Amari Cooper, rookie. Jeremy Langford, rookie refractor. Austin Hill and Sammy Coate, rookies. Todd Gurley and Marcus Mariota. RG3 gold refractor, 57 out of 150. Redskins going to Patrick. And Sammy Coates, rookie for the Steelers. Rookie auto prism refractor. Nice looking 2-color patch for the Panthers. Cameron Artis-Payne. 19 out of 20. Panthers going to Dave D. Congratulations, Dave. Rashad Green, Russell Wilson finest, and a Bryce Petty rookie. Dante Fowler Jr. Jay Cutler, red refractor, 17 out of 99. Going to Henry. Devontae Parker, rookie die cut. Philip Rivers refractor. Devin Smith rookie. Vince Beasley. Odell Beckham Jr. gold refractor. 145 out of 150. Giants going to Barry. Devin Smith for rookie die cut. Carlos Williams. And another Cameron Artis-Payne rookie auto patch for you, Dave. This one a blue refractor, 146 out of 150. Jeremy Langford. Danny Shelton. Mike Davis. Tom Brady, blue refractor, 130 out of 250. Patriots going to Angelo. Cameron Artis-Payne, blue refractor, die cut, 289 out of 299. Going to Dave. Devin Funchess. Melvin Gordon, rookie refractor. And a Matt Jones rookie. J.E. David Johnson. Clive Walford. Javaria Salin. Vince Melee and Jalen Strong. Kevin White rookie. And Jeremy Langford, rookie auto 3-color patch. A little bit of white on the left. Bears going to Henry. Landon Collins, Jameis Winston, rookie. Todd Gurley, rookie of finest. Gold refractor 87 out of 199. Going to Seth. Leonard Williams and a Tony Lippett rookie blue refractor to 250. Dolphins going to Jeremy. Sean Mannion and Justin Hardy rookies. Rashad Perriman. Stephon Diggs, Bryce Petty rookie refractor. Carlos Williams, Vic Beasley, and Amir Abdullah. Clive Wolford, rookie gold refractor to 150. Going to Scott. And an Amari Cooper, rookie die cut blue refractor to 299. That one going to Scott as well. Max Williams and a Bryce Petty, a rookie auto patch. Jets going to Mark W. Jeremy Langford rookie and an Amari Cooper finest green refractor, 249 out of 299. Another one for you, Scott. Rashad Green, Jeremy Maclin blue refractor to 250. Chiefs going to Seth. Javorius Allen and Sean Mannion rookies. Melvin Gordon and a Drew Brees refractor. Kenny Bell. Jameis Winston rookie. And a Kenny Bell, a rookie auto jumbo patch. Buccaneers going to Ben. Devin Smith, rookie red refractor, 72 out of 99. Going to Mark. Kenny Bell, rookie die cut. Tevin Coleman. Philip Dorsett, Melvin Gordon, and Dorial Green Beckham rookies. Alfred Morris, blue refractor to 250. Going to Patrick. And a Nelson Aguilar, rookie blue refractor die cut to 299. Going to Chris. And Chris Conley, a rookie. Rashad Green, rookie refractor. Carlos Williams, rookie. And Matt Jones, rookie. Jeremy Langford. Landon Collins, gold refractor to 150. Going to Barry. Garrett Grayson, rookie die cut. Rookie auto, pink refractor, jumbo 3-color patch for the Jags, Rashad Green. Jags going to Chris. Congratulations. Rashad Green. Brett Hundley. Aaron Rodgers, green finest refractor to 299. Going to Brandy. And a Jalen Strong rookie. Melvin Gordon. Rashad Perriman and Kevin White rookies. Drew Brees refractor. Jameis Winston rookie. And another Rashad Green rookie auto patch for you, Chris. Philip Dorsett. Lamar Miller, blue refractor. 17 out of 60. Going to Jeremy. Cameron Artis-Payne and Devin Smith were rookies. Tevin Coleman and Marcus Mariota, rookie finest. Going to Nate. David Cobb, Emmanuel Sanders, blue refractor to 250. Going to Mark. And a Rashad Green, blue refractor to 299. Going to Chris. Bryce Petty, rookie refractor. Brett Hundley, rookie. Brett Hundley, a rookie die cut. And a Justin Purdy, rookie. Stephon Diggs, a rookie auto 2-color patch. Vikings going to Ben. Congratulations, Ben. Melvin Gordon, rookie refractor, prism refractor, finest, 18 out of 50. Going to Brandy. And Amir Abdullah, rookie. Trey Mason, blue refractor, 30 out of 60. Going to Seth. Tyler Lockett, rookie die cut. Nelson Aguilar, rookie. And a Melvin Gordon, rookie refractor. Tony Romo, rookie, red refractor die cut, 18 out of 50. Cowboys going to Daniel, and Kenny Bell, rookie. Tony Lippett, Garrett Grayson, rookies. Amari Cooper, rookie gold refractor, 60 out of 150. Going to Scott. Chris Conley, rookie die cut, and Sean Mannion. Andrews Pete. And a rookie auto patch for the Jets, Devin Smith. Going to Mark. Cameron Artis-Payne, rookie gold refractor to 150. Panthers going to Dave D. Sammy Coates, rookie. Devontae Parker, rookie. Richard Sherman, refractor. Bryce Petty, rookie. David Johnson, rookie. And Javorius Allen, rookie Prism refractor auto. Looks like a number or a logo patch. Super short print, 9 out of 20. Congratulations, Ben. JJ Watt, red refractor, 95 out of 99. Going to Chris. Rashad Perriman, rookie die cut. Cameron Artis-Payne, rookie. Jamison Crowder, Elvin Dupree, and Chris Conley, rookies. Jeremy Langford, rookie blue refractor to 250. Going to Henry. And another one, this one a red refractor die cut, 94 out of 99. Nelson Aguilar, David Johnson, rookie refractor. Philip Dorsett, rookie, and Amari Cooper. Dorial Green Beckham. Trey McBride, Tony Lippett, Nelson Aguilar, rookies. And for the Titans, a rookie blue refractor auto 2-color patch, David Cobb. Titans going to Nate. Congratulations, Nate. Marcus Mariota, finest rookie. J rookie, Duke Johnson blue refractor to 250. Going to Patrick. David Cobb at rookie die cut. Javorius Allen, Julio Jones refractor, and a Max Williams rookie. Amir Abdullah rookie die cut. Sean Mannion, and a rookie auto patch for the Falcons, Justin Hurdy. Going to Rob. Shaq Thompson, rookie red refractor to 99. Going to Dave D. Kenny Bell, rookie. Jeremy Hill, finest. Larry Fitzgerald, blue refractor to 250. Going to Nate and Chris Conley, rookie. Jamison Crowder, Brandon Schreff, Jeremy Macklin refractor. Cameron Artis Payne, rookie. Mike Davis, Andre Johnson gold refractor to 150. Going to Kyle, Carlos Williams rookie die cut, and a Justin Hurdy rookie. Another Cameron Artis Payne gold refractor auto patch. 4 out of 99. Panthers going to Dave D. Congratulations, Dave. Devin Funchess. Tevin Coleman, Kevin White rookie green refractor to 299. Going to Henry, Amir Abdullah. Alright, last box. Hopefully we save the best for last. Nelson Aguilar, Alex Smith blue refractor, 26 out of 60. Going to Seth. Brett Hundley, a rookie die cut. Ryan Tannehill, refractor. Trey McBride, Tony Lippett, and Vince Mailey, rookies. Andrus Peat, Tyler Lockett, rookie gold refractor die cut to 199. Seahawks going to Chris B. Ty Montgomery, rookie. Devontae Parker, rookie auto patch for the Raiders, Clive Walford. Raiders going to Scott J. a bonus hit. Rookie on-card auto prism refractor for the Falcons, Vic Beasley. Super short print 3 out of 10. Congratulations, Rob. And a Duke Johnson rookie. Antonio Gates, blue refractor to 250. Going to Brandy. Tevin Coleman, rookie die cut. Brett Hundley, rookie. Jimmy Graham, refractor. Matt Jones, rookie. And Devin Smith. Rashad Green, rookie die cut blue refractor to 299. Going to Chris. And a Rashad Green, a rookie auto patch. Another one for you, Chris. Eli Manning finest. And that will do it for tonight's breaks. We'll be back at it Monday night with a 2-box football break. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you Monday night.